With James and I both working from home, it is really important to have two separate working spaces where we can sit and be independent from each other. For the past week, that has meant us taking it in turns sitting in the sleeping nook and living area. This wasn't too ideal and we knew it couldn't be a long-term solution, so over the weekend we brainstormed where we could create a new multifunctional workspace. We had in the engine room this dead area which was occupied with our electrics cupboard and a washing machine. So we designed this L-shaped desk that could cover the electronics table but also kind of extend out to the hatch. The wood we used for this project was an old tabletop that previously belonged to our old flatmate Conrad. We had to actually saw everything by hand as we had stupidly guzzled up our small supply of electricity using our projector earlier in the week. Now that it's autumn, we've recognised that we're definitely in need of a few more solar panels. After we sawed it into 3 pieces, we checked that the wood actually fitted nicely on top of the electronics cupboard. We needed to make some cutouts for both the water pipes and also the solar panel cables. Once we checked again that it was all fitting nicely, we made the tabletop to the correct angle of the electronics cupboard underneath. After securing the wood on top of the electronics cupboard, we sawed some more and made a supporting block for the connecting desk. We had this annoyingly long piece of wood lying around in the engine room that we kept tripping over, so we used that as the 2 legs for the desk. After we had put those in place, they still seemed a little bit wobbly, so we made another supporting block to make sure that it stayed securely in place. Whilst we were building the table, I noticed there was a convenient mushroom vent that already had the solar panels cables going through, and I thought instead of us having our Wi-Fi set up in the lounge where we were currently feeding it through the window, it would be ideal to have it in the engine room where we'll be using it as our office space. I haven't really decorated this space yet as much as I would like to, but to make it feel homely in the meantime I decided to pop up a couple of postcards and this illustration by Lucy Illustrates, which matches really nicely with the hatches that we have. Overall, I'm really happy with how this area has turned out and I can't wait to decorate it some more. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you soon.